Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your bank accounts to Cleo. Now, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this, so you know what? Let's just jump straight into it. The first step is once you're logged in to Cleo will prompt you to link a bank account. So that's first things first. Once you've opened your account, you download the Cleo app and then you create an account, and once you log in, once that's done, Cleo is going to prompt you to link a bank account almost immediately. So you can also do this later from the menu linked account section, but if you want to tackle it at once, let's just go with it. Now you're gonna tap connect accounts, and Cleo uses Plaid or similar secure service, of course, to link your bank. So just tap continue when redirected. And here you're going to choose your bank from the list. It could be Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, whatever it is. Now if your bank doesn't appear, you're going to use the search bar to find it. Once you found your bank, you're going to sign in with your online banking username and password. Don't worry, Cleo uses secure encryption, so your details aren't going to be released. So just don't worry about that and go ahead and sign into your bank. Now you're going to be asked to complete multi-factor authentication. That could be, enter a code sent to your phone or email, just to prove that you're the owner of the account. That way, we don't really have to be worried about security. Now, once verified, you're going to choose the account that you want Cleo to access. It could be your checking or your savings account, and then tap continue to finalize that connection. Cleo will then import your transaction history and start analyzing your spendings. Now, note, Cleo does not have access to move or withdraw money from your account unless you give specific permission for specific features like savings or advances. So you don't got to worry about that. Cleo is never going to take out money or give anyone a chance to take money out of your account without your explicit permission. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.